Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select insert from here. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type here 3.5. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type here 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to press and hold Alt key. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here, 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 and here. Then you have to select the pen move tool. Then you have to select this layer. Then you have to press and hold Alt key. Then you have to take a copy from this layer. Then you have to right click on here. Then you have to right click on this layer. Then you have to click on the flip vertical. Then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to right click on the shape. Then I have to click on the flip horizontal. Then I have to click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select this shape. Then I have to right click on the shape. Then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the gradient overlay. Then I have to select line and gradient from here. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to click on the blues. Then I have to select this color. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on the color, this color, then I have to click on the OK. OK. Now we have to select this shape, then right click on the shape, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. After that, we have to select the move tool. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool. Then press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this. Then click on here, then right click on the shape, then click on the wrap. Then click on the tick mark. Then I have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then I have to take a copy from this shape. Then click on here, then right click on the shape, then click on the flip horizontal. Then click on the flip vertical. Then drag this in here, then rotate the shape. Then you have to increase the size of the shape. Then you have to right click on here, then you have to click on the wrap. After that, you have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to rotate this shape again. Then I have to click on the tick mark again. Then I have to select this shape. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to take a copy from this shape. Then I have to rotate this shape again. Then drag the shape in here. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to press and hold Alt key, then you have to click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool, then increase the size. Then drag this in here. Now we have to select this shape, then double click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then click on the white color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select this, then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to take a copy from this. Then I have to drag this shape under this shape. Then I have to right click on the shape, then click on the blending option. Then unmark the gradient overlay, then click on the color overlay, then click on here, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then click on the stroke, then select gradient from here, then click on here, then click on the blue, then select this color, then click on here, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now I have to decrease the size of stroke. then click on the OK again, then drag this in here. So friends, now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to design the other things of the business card. After open all icons, you have to set these icons in your business card. After that, you have to select the shapes, then click on the lock icon, then select these shapes, then click on the lock icon again. After that, you have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to write your number in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark, then you have to select the move tool, then you have to drag this in here, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then select this, then decrease the size of this. Then select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your mail in here. Then select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then click on the tick mark, and press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here, then click on the tick mark. Then select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your website name in here. Then click on the tick mark, then select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select the text tool again, then click on here, then write your location in here. Then select the move tool again, then increase the size of this. Then click on the tick mark, then select this, then drag this in here. Then select the text tool, then click on here, then write your name in here. Then select this text, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool and increase the size of this. Then select the shape tool, then right click on here, then select the rounded rectangle tool from here, then draw this shape in here. So now we have to open our logo, so I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, you have to select the text tool, then you have to click on here, then you have to write your company name in here. Then you have to select the move tool, then increase the size of this, then decrease the size, then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this, then increase the size again, then click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from a PC. After open the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to click on the backspace. After that, you have to back to the project. Then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlock all layers, you have to select all layers from here. Then you have to drag these layers in here. Then you have to set the business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.